Hello, hi friends, this is Shiva. I'm an IT employee. I also filed an ITR. I'm also faced the same issue. Till now, I have not received any refund. I've done few tricks. One of my friend did the same thing. You have received that amount. I will be showing what you have done. Let's see. Hope this trick will be working as fine. Let's see what are the steps we need to take. Okay. We first posted in Twitter. Okay, let's see the what are the steps you have done. Okay, let's open Twitter. Yeah, let's say do. Yeah, I'm opening the Twitter. Like actually, I'm typing. It's not that. Just opening the Twitter here. Typing X here. Yeah. Mm, typing. Wait a minute. Why? Okay. Now it's working. After opening, just if you don't have Twitter, just create a Twitter. You don't need any opening of Twitter. You can just Google or just search anywhere. You get a easy way to auto login. These are the things which I posted in Twitter. I got a reply from the income tax. Okay, I tagged the income tax and required members in that. You can go, you can see the thing and you can do the same thing, or else you can copy the same thing and you can do same prompt here. Then after, see the chat what I have done. If you open my profile, you'll see the lot of complaints there because I will that if I go anywhere, if I face anything, I will be posting here. For now, I will be showing that ITR part. This okay, okay, yeah. Unfortunately, I opened the wrong link. Okay, scrolling up back again. Yeah, this is the one. I'm looking for the comments. I'm not able to see. Yeah, here the comments are. Mm, okay. Here we see the list of comments. You will able to see the link there. You need to click on that link. You will navigate to the ITR portal where you need to give a complaint there. Yeah, clicking here. This is the portal where this look. If you won't click that also, you will automatically redirect after 10 seconds to the portal. Enter your identity of your thing like PAN here. You log in to ITR. Then after entering your PAN ID, you need to click on continue. You will get an two OTP. One is for mobile and another is for email. Click on continue. Yeah, these are the two things. Okay, let I will not receive OTP yet. Okay, let me wait a minute. Yeah, I received an OTP. I'm looking here. Okay, okay. I'm entering the OTP here. Why this is not working? Okay, let's clear. I will be typing again. OTP. Now it's working. Let me check my email whether I have received or not. Yeah, I'm checking my email here. Actually, I will be using two accounts. One is professional and one is for other personal. Yeah, this is the mail ID. I will open it. Okay, let's see. Please be patient on internet. Yeah, here I got an OTP. I will be entering this OTP in that portal. Yes. This is the OTP. Let's see. I think something have entered wrong. Okay, let's check and try once again. Yeah, this is the OTP. I'm entering here. Yeah, this is the OTP as of now. Yeah. Why? Okay, yeah, it should work now. Yes, it's working. After that, you get a portal where you can give the complaints to the IT department. Select your required PAN, required ITR form. What is the issue? Refund types. After which year, which financial year you want to select year. Suppose you don't have any description to add, you have only one few words. Type those few words into ChatGPT and enter. Ask ChatGPT to create a description. Use the description here and go for the attachment for screenshot from where you have posted in the Twitter. Just copy or paste that image here. Then after you will wait for few days, you will get an email of I will be showing that email now. Within half an hour, you will getting an email. Just type searching ITR here. Okay, this is ITR email. Yes. Okay, yeah. An ITR. This is the one. Just you can read here. Then after a few days, one of my friend got after 4 days. This only one for one day. Let's hope after getting my idea, I will be doing another video. If not, let's do another thing. There's another way of doing these things. If you get already got anything, just comment below. That would help us. Anyone, please. Yeah. Hope everyone will get the refund at the end of the year. Thanks for watching. Bye. This is the proof. Forgot it. This is the proof of my friend. I will be showing you. Thank you. Bye.